Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix your YouTube login error. First thing you need to do is that open the icon bar and check there if your internet is connecting or not. If your internet are not connecting, then open the Wi-Fi or data, and it not working, then switch on the Wi-Fi to data to Wi-Fi. It is still not working, then you also enable the airplane mode for few seconds and disable. After all doing this, it is still not working, then you need to check your app update. If you are Android user, go to the Play Store. If you are iPhone user, then go to the App Store and search for your looking app, and if you see their update, then update it. After all doing this, you need to check your app, check there. If that doesn't work, then go to the your device setting and go to the app management or cache and go to the app list and search for the looking app and go to the storage and if you see their storage and cache, then go to the storage and cache and do clear cache. Sometime if your storage are full, then it might be also the problem for the app, then do, if you want do clear storage, then do tap on the clear storage. After all doing this, and if your app is still not logging, then you also might be asked YouTube support team. That's it. And it is still not working, then the last option is waiting for few seconds. Sometimes any updates are available or server are not connecting, server are down, and you need to wait for a few seconds and it is still not working, then you just restart your device and reopen the app and check it. That's it. That's how you can fix the YouTube logging error. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. This video helps you, then do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.